Hey friends, today I have a DIY Cellulite Blaster Coffee Body Scrub. So this scrub is going to consist of things that you probably already have on hand sitting in your kitchen. So you're going to need some coffee, some granulated sugar. You can use brown or the white sugar if you have that on hand. Some coconut oil, or if you have extra virgin olive oil, that will work as well. You're going to need a cup, like a 1 cup measuring cup, and a spoon and a bowl to mix all these ingredients up with. And I'm going to go ahead and just show you how it's done. So I'm taking just some regular coffee grounds, and I'm taking 1 cup of those, and I'm going to go ahead and just drop them in the bowl. And I'm also going to take 1 cup of the sugar and mix that in. I did a half a cup at a time because it's a small bowl, and I wanted to make sure everything was mixed before I added the coconut oil. The coconut oil will come firm, so I added it in little by little as we went, and you guys will see that in a little bit. But you just add it in and you just mix it all together until you get a, like a gel consistency. I did want to let you guys know the benefits of this body scrub. So the caffeine found in coffee scrubs typically increases blood flow and also may reduce the appearance of cellulite, and will give your skin an even more even tone. Coconut oil is a great skin softener, and it helps you do away with dried and hard skin conditions. Coconut oil can delay the appearance of wrinkles, sagging of skin, which normally accompanies aging, and keeps the skin's connective tissue strong, which helps prevent sagging and wrinkles. Coconut oil also helps in preventing premature aging, degenerative diseases, to its well-known antioxidant properties. Sugar contains glycolic acid and a folic hydroxy acid that is crucial for maintaining healthy skin. The natural glycolic acid in sugar not only helps condition and moisturize skin, but protects it from harsh toxins. So all these little things together really make a super awesome body scrub. So if you're like me and you're out in the sun a lot and you're swimming or you're shaving your legs all the time, my skin gets so dry. And unfortunately for me, I do have a little cellulite on the back of my legs, and I try every which way to reduce the appearance of it. And I have found that with the regular use of this body scrub, it does lessen the appearance. Does it make it go away? No. But does it make it look as noticeable? Not really. So I do, and then your skin is so soft because the coconut oil really just makes a whole difference. So you see here, I'm just adding the coconut oil in little by little and making sure it's well mixed. I do get a little sloppy with it, but that's just me, my friends.
Walk up to the very top. We couldn't tell the sky from the ground. I know my life will never be the same after that day. You wrap me around.
I wanted to add that if you are breastfeeding, make sure you do not apply the scrub too closely to your breast, because the babies may not like the smell, so that may kind of be a problem for you guys. You also can apply this to your face. I have applied this to my face. My face feels amazing, but I do not put it underneath my eyes because the skin underneath your eyes is super thin, and this is kind of an abrasive wash, so be careful for that. Also be careful in the shower because it is slippery, and I don't want you to fall and bust your pretty butt. But all right, we're still mixing, guys. You can also add in a couple drops of vanilla to give it kind of a vanilla latte smell with the coffee. I've done that before. I just didn't want to add in too many things because I wanted it to be just a basic scrub that anybody can make with pretty much what you have on at home. If you guys are interested in seeing, I have a few other scrubs that I make at home. I have one especially for my winter skin when I get really dry. I am attempting to start sugar waxing at home, so I've been trying my hand at making my own sugar wax. If you guys want to see that, let me know. But yeah, I want you guys to go ahead, make this body scrub, give yourself a good scrub down, and leave me a comment below and let me know how you liked it. I promise you're going to love it. I do store mine in a mason jar. This is the only mason jar I had on hand, this big one. Mine typically stores for a couple weeks, about a month, and I usually go through it. I usually do this like twice a week. So I also scrub the bottom of my feet with it. So I'm showing you here how I just kind of rub it in, and I rub it in with circular motions, and I really just exfoliate the heck out of my skin. And oh my gosh, it makes the world of difference.
Your fingers and you stay. I don't ever wanna be alone again. Despite all, you're my best friend.
I wanted to show you how my skin looks after I just went ahead and rinsed it off with some warm water. It is a lot brighter than my other arm, and it is so much smoother. Like I said, I do go ahead and I store the scrub in this mason jar, and I just keep it in my shower, or I actually keep mine in my closet because I do have young kids and I'm afraid they're gonna knock it down and like shatter it everywhere because, you know, hashtag mom life. But if you guys are new here, I do a little bit of everything around here, and I would love if you would stick around and subscribe. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you on the next video. Take it easy, my friends.